How to follow hashtags on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can follow hashtags on Instagram. So following hashtags on Instagram is a great way to discover content related to your interest. So when you follow a hashtag, posts with that hashtag will appear in your feed, allowing you to stay updated with specific topics. So the major way is by launching your Instagram application on your device first of all. And then once you've done that, move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see a magnifying glass icon. Then click on it. This magnifying glass icon also stands for the search icon. So after clicking on it, you'll see a number of reels and all of that displayed automatically. Then just click on the search bar, and then in the search bar at the top, type the hashtag that you would like to follow. Ensure you enter in the hashtag and then type out the hashtag that you'd like to follow. For me, I'll just type in something like virtual assistant, and then you can see posts related to what I just typed. So just select the one you want and then go ahead and explore, and then you'll be taken to that particular page. All right, you'll be taken to the page containing content with that hashtags. So you can just check out the content and then click on the follow icon in the blue button, and then just like that you'll be able to follow this hashtag. So this also applies to other hashtags that you might have. Let's say for example hashtag sports. So as you can see all the ones related. So click on see all results to see as many pages that speaks about sports, and you can go ahead and follow any of them. So this is how it works. All right, this is how you can follow hashtags on Instagram. It's very simple to navigate through, so ensure you try it out by yourself. Thanks for watching and have a good day.